Good morning, Liberty-Benton High School. It's Friday, April the 17th, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. How about that for April the 17th? Some nice snow coming down this morning. Sorry, Mr. Wolf, I don't know if I'd make it into the choir or not, but it does kind of look like the winter weather that we had during Christmas time. So students hopefully are staying safe and enjoy maybe a little bit of the winter weather today. Hey students, a couple things I want to just remind you, and I know yesterday we talked about birthdays and these students were listed, but I want to wish happy birthday on Friday the 17th to Emma Otley, to Zach Mitchell, and also to Mr. Irwin on Friday. We don't have any Saturday or Sunday birthdays, so happy birthday Emma, Zach, and Mr. Irwin. Students, we also mentioned yesterday about prom and graduation. Just want to give you a quick recap. Remember, if we go back to school, I know the governor yesterday discussed that early next week he might be talking about what schools will look like for the remainder of the year. If we do go back to school, prom will still be on May 16th and then graduation on the 31st of May. But if June is an option and May is not an option, Thursday, June the 18th will be prom, and then Sunday, June the 21st will be graduation. And then if June isn't available, but we can go in July, Friday, July 17th will be prom, and then Sunday, July the 19th. Hey, next thing I want to talk about are final exams. We talked with teachers earlier this week. I just want to let everyone know that for your LB classes, there will be no final exams this year. So our second semester GPA will be calculated just on third 9 weeks and on fourth 9 weeks. So just third and fourth 9 weeks. Now the difference is if you're in a CCP class, that kind of depends on the department. So that's where I'm going to ask the expertise of your teacher of your CCP class to see what those lists are. Sorry students, I'm trying to get a little bit more techie. I'm not quite the most smooth, so I still have my little note cards here I'm trying to go through. Next thing, just want to remind every student that whether we're in a cancellation for the remainder of the year or not, next school year's eligibility is dependent upon how you do this fourth 9 weeks. So it's very important that you get your work done, work completed, give your best effort, because eligibility for our fall athletes happens right now. So that goes for our freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. And just a reminder, those eligibility rules are pretty simple. You have to be passing 5 classes, and you can only have at most 1 F. 2 Fs, and you're ineligible for next fall. So students, one of the things that it's unique for me, I know I haven't gotten a haircut in a while, and it's getting a little shaggy, and I almost feel like maybe some of the guys that are on the basketball team a little bit. Hopefully I won't ever get to a point where you're going to confuse me as maybe some of the other guys that look similar. So hopefully I'll get a haircut so we won't have to add a third Spider-Man in here. Sorry about that, Ben, Michael. Just giving you a little joke here. Hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. Students, I just want to really do encourage you to make sure you're making good choices with the social distancing. It's very important that we do things the right way, follow the orders, and then also I just want to continue to remind you, to have that positive response to this, because there's nothing more that you can do. It's out of our control, so let's make the most of it, have the best response that you can in our E+R equals O framework, and as always, I want to wish you, it's your choice to make it a great day or not. That choice is yours. Have a great day, everyone.